Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on pink. It's kind of a cheat. It's like minimal pink because today I just felt like doing something. It's really hot today and I felt like doing something crazy, like glowy. I've discovered my new favorite highlighter, so make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video to find out what this highlighter is because it's my new favorite. It's amazing. I just went for a crazy bold neon pink lip to represent pink today. No eyeshadow, just glowy, highlighted, fresh skin, and then a bright bold lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for all of your lovely comments on red and yellow so far. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's Rainbow Week and I'm doing a video every day this week inspired by the colours of the rainbow. So we're on pink, and if you are only joining today, make sure you check out red and yellow. Green, purple, orange and blue are still to come. God, I forgot the rainbow then. So if you guys would like to see how to create this look and the products that I used, make sure to keep on watching. And while you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on my social medias. They are all linked down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the look. Apologies if I am just fully sweating in this video. It's so hot in my office. Don't mind the actual sweat dripping down my face and the fact that I'm breaking out. Today, for pink, I feel like I just want to do a bright neon pink lip. You will have already seen it, but I think I'm going to go super natural on my skin. When I say super natural, I mean just glowy. I think it's going to be very skin focused. It's going to be all about the skin, the lashes, and the lip. I also haven't done my brows yet because I'm going to do them on camera because it's going to be such a simple look. I feel like I need to do something on camera. I am going to start with an old favourite, which is so nearly empty. This is the Ordinary Ascorbyl Tetrasopalmitate solution 20% in vitamin F. Just looks glowy and amazing, so put that on first. It's such a beautiful day today that I didn't feel like going crazy heavy on my eyes or anything like that. I forgot Tannin Tone coconut spritz. Woo. She radiant. My yellow look goes live in 2 minutes. I need to tweet. Okay, next we're going in with the love of my life, my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. This and the Ordinary product used to be my absolute like holy grail. To be honest, it still kind of is, but back in the day, I don't really use the Ordinary one every day anymore, but I feel like I might again because I forget how amazing this makes my skin look. Okay, for my foundation, I'm going to use my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. An affordable alternative is the L'Oreal Pro Glow, but I've used that a lot recently, so use the Pro Glow if you don't want to fork out loads of money on the Armani. I'm not going for loads of coverage, but going for some. And recently I've been loving buffing in my foundation with this blank canvas. I think it's F86 maybe. It's rubbed off, but it's really nice. Just buff it in. I also love this one. It's the this is the F06. So I don't know what this one is. Sorry. But it's that little contour brush. It just works so well. And it's small, so you just put the product exactly where you need it and it doesn't pick up too much and then just buffs it in so well. I'm going to use the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I used to love this and then I lost it and I found it in my bag the other day. So I'm just going to put it on with my finger, just anywhere where I need a bit more coverage. It is just a little bit less intense than Shape Tape. This is not a Shape Tape skin kind of day. We're here for the glow today. And now I'm going in with my beauty blender. I'm then going to use a little bit of the Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 1 to highlight my nose. Tiny bit under my eyes. Notice I'm not bringing any concealer onto my lid. I saw Desi Perkins do this in a video recently where she just left her lid completely clear and it looked so nice. Like, to be fair, her eyelids are more like, she's got some pigmentation, like they're a little bit darker. And it looks really cool because it's like a natural shadow, whereas mine are just a bit more veiny. But we're going to try and make it work. While we're working with creams, I'm going to go in with my Chanel, sorry. While we're working with creams, I am going to go in with my Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel, which is their cream bronzer, and I've had this for years. Who knows if this is still okay to put on my face, but I'm gonna, because my friends got me this for my birthday one year, and I should use it even more than I do. So I'm going to use this to add some warmth. This is so nice because you literally just apply it and buff it in with your foundation. It just makes you look so bronzed. And then for blush, I am going to use this Bourjois Aqua Blush in the shade Very Nice. Barely need any product with this. And I'm just gonna tap that on the cheek. I invested in a throwback the other day. I repurchased the MAC 187 brush because I lost mine years ago, and I saw it and I was like, it's been a long time. So I'm just going to deepen up my bronzer with my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Natural. This is like one of my all-time favourite bronzers. And I just take a little bit and I'm just going to, setting those powders. First I'm just going to set the centre of my face with a little bit of powder. I've changed my mind. Bobbi Brown's too dark. I'm going in with Hoola. I always go back to my old fave to contour my nose, but I'm still using the same brush, keeping it soft. Oh, this mirror is so dirty. Bringing it up here, but no colour on the lid or anything, just to blend it. Okay, for my highlight, I got sent this Doll Light Duo from Doll Beauty, and it's got 2 of their highlights on, and I've never tried a Doll Beauty highlight, so I'm so excited. First I'm just going to spritz my face, let it dry for 150 years. I'm going to start with this darker shade. Ooh. Smells good. Oh, it smells like chemicals. Why does that smell of chemicals? Highlight my forehead. Wow. Wow. Throwing things. Overwhelmed. I am over the moon with this highlighter. This is like probably one of the most beautiful highlights I've tried in such a... Look at that. Onto the brows. My brows are so easy. I just brush them up and I just do strokes. So guys, I feel like I haven't spoken to you all video. I'm so excited. At the moment I am looking at kitchens and bathrooms, and my Pinterest boards look amazing, and we're gonna soon start the first steps of renovating the flat. It's taken me a while because I've had to do some saving, and I have not been around all that much, but I'm home for 2 weeks, so hopefully there's going to be some movement going. It's not going to be like massive changes yet, but I will be vlogging it, so the moving vlogs, the renovation vlogs will be starting soon, because I know that some of you subscribe to my channel for renovation videos and you've been like, where are they? They'll be coming soon. Promise. And then I'm just gonna set them with a bit of my Benefit brow set. Like I said, I'm leaving my eyelids natural, not doing anything to them. Lashes. Because I've got nothing on my lids, if I use the Bad Gal Bang, it will transfer because of the oils. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Just gonna apply a layer. I love this mascara. It is like super volumizing and really lengthening, really black, and it lasts all day. doesn't transfer, it doesn't flake. It does just look amazing all day, and I'm really sorry, I just realised I didn't zoom in at all in this video. To be fair, I'm not doing any like detail work, so you can kind of see what I'm doing, but sorry. And then lower lashes, you don't want to go crazy. I'm just putting a light slick of lower lash mascara on. And then for lashes, we're all about the Doll Beauty hype today. I'm gonna wear this set, the bottom set from the Doll Beauty and Beauty Bay like set. Guys, run out and get these. They are £25 for 3 pairs of amazing lashes. I really, really, really like these. I've worn this pair. I've worn this pair like 5 times already in the past like week. They're so comfortable and really fluffy, high quality, and these ones are nice because they're just like a kind of semi-natural like winged out look. So I'm just gonna put some of these on. Great for everyday wear. I will come back and finish the rest of the look. BRB babes. Okay, the piece de resistance, the lip. I'm wearing an old classic, Candy Yum Yum. I remember when Candy Yum Yum first came out and it was revolutionary. I think I did a video all about Candy Yum Yum. I can't get over this highlight, guys. Haven't done a lip liner, apparently. Straight in with the lipstick, fine. Now, if you've never heard of Candy Yum Yum, you're probably young or, I don't know, just wasn't as obsessive over MAC lipsticks as I used to be when they were all the rage. God, that made me sound old, didn't it? Basically a neon blue toned pink. This look is probably the only way I'd wear this out. I'm gonna take a risk. I'm gonna go in with a dark lip liner. This is Chestnut from MAC. I think I wore it in yesterday's video. The smallest amount. And voila! Here we have the finished look. It is every video my emails interrupt me. So disrespectful. Is it tutorial worthy? Probably not. This is the most simple look in the whole entire world, but I absolutely love it. I feel very Barbie right now with the blonde and the pink. Not even ombre anymore. I am blonde from root to tip. I'm a new woman. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow is green, so make sure you keep your eyes out for that. Again, thank you so much for all of your lovely comments on the video so far. I'm so glad you're enjoying them, and all the products I used are linked down below as always. Have the best day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!